Hi, welcome back to Master of None. My name is Rodney. As you know, if you've been following my videos, that I've been working on my Arkham Origins armor, and pretty close to being complete. What I'm going to do today is, well, I had this idea to glue the armor to basically the undersuit. The undersuit would be like a lycra top, which you'll see on the mannequin. And then, because this version of Batman seems to be wearing pants, I found a pair of stretch jeans that I'm gonna sacrifice for this build. And yeah, I'm gonna try to glue all of the pieces where they should be on the items of clothing that I'm gonna wear, instead of making it so it's interchangeable, or I can, like wear it as a vest or armor for different types of costumes. I don't think I'll ever do that. So here we go. So, I think this is enough work for tonight. Guess I'll find out tomorrow how well the glue stuck. I still have to make the shin guard cover for the boots. But other than that, it's about done. Thank you for watching Master of None. I hope you are enjoying watching me go through this process. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I'll keep making content.